everyone. We've replaced Trevor's old wheels with a new set. His back tyres are huge, with deep tread to help grip in the mud. And as a thank you, Trevor's made us a corn maze to play in.
Hop it, Frog. I'm going first.
Good luck, Mr. Weasel. Don't get lost. Go, go, Tilly Tow Truck. Let's find our way through the maze.
No way through. This maze is too hard, and now it's raining. Oh, yuck.
Oops, not this way, Mex. Let's turn another way.
Ah, this maze is broken. We have to beat Gecko. Let's trim this trip. Mazes are so easy. Out of the way, you tinkering toad!
Oh no! The rain has made it muddy, and Sly is stuck. Flipping screwdrivers, so is Tilly.
I'll be stuck in this miserable, muddy maze forever.
Don't worry, Mr. Weasel. There's always hope. I have an idea. Come in, Cat. Hola, Gecko. We're stuck in the crop maze and need Trevor's old wheels to help Tilly grip in the mud.
No problema, Gecko. I can use Helena's grabbing arm to help you.
Did somebody order 2 wheels and an axle?
Thanks, Cat. Now it's up to us. Pick up your tools and say this rhyme. At Gecko's garage, it's mixing time. We'll replace Tilly's wheels with Trevor's old set, so she can grip on ground that's muddy and wet. A longer axle is what Tilly requires for 2 big wheels with giant tyres. With her new wheels, we could easily factor that Tilly the tow truck is now Tilly the tractor!
Wait for me!
It's working! Now let me guide you out of here. Now turn left. Almost there. Now right.
We made it! Ah, well done, everyone.
But I'll be the winner! Oh, Mummy.
Teamwork's the winner today. Goodbye, everyone. Oh, well done, Cat.
Gracias, Gecko. We're here at Cat's place for her birthday today. We got her a big cake, but shh, she doesn't know yet. Someone needs rescuing.
Don't worry, Yellow. I just need to adjust the winch.
We need to fall fast. Helena, stop the rotor. Ready, Gecko?
Almost. Almost. Yes!
Another happy landing.
And... happy birthday, Cat.
Gracias, amigos.
Hooray! Oh, hurrah! Oh, thanks, Red. Oh, it really is hot today. Look over there. Baby and Mama are going for a picnic. But Baby doesn't look well at all. Come on, Baby Truck. Let's take a look at you and find out what's wrong. Oh, that's the problem. You're way too hot. Quick, Mechanicals, fetch some water. Oh dear, you've not been drinking enough water, have you? It's important to drink lots of water when it's hot. That's better. But I think you're still too hot. Aha! I've got it! Turn the car wash down to cold, please, Red. All right, Baby Truck. Time to cool off. All better. Now you can go to your picnic. Have a great time. Bye! Hello, everyone. It's a hot, sunny day, and we're off to the beach. Soggy screwdrivers. The bridge is shut, and Vicky can't deliver her ice cream.
I must have ice cream!
Don't worry, everyone. We'll help Vicky get to the beach. Come with us. There. Ah. I've made a couple of special tweaks to help Vicky get to the beach. But we may still need your rocket, Blue. Blue? Blue! Garage doors open at speed. It's time to help everyone in need of ice cream. Oh, we need some more speed. Now, Blue. That'll do, Blue. We don't want to overshoot the landing. Nuts and bolts. We did overshoot the landing. Don't worry, Vicky. A gecko always has a plan B. What a journey. Now, who wants an ice cream?
Out of the way, trash can. That's my ice cream. My ice cream!
See you next time, everyone. Bye! Hello, everyone. Today, we're holding a fix-up fair at the garage. And Grandma's here with her famous apple pie. Huh? Hello, Mr. Weasel. Can we fix anything for Sly?
Fix? Ha! I don't need help. Sly can make far tastier ice cream than Vicky. Watch!
Oh.
Oh,
Huh?
delicious.
Oh, ignore him, Gecky. Showing off gets you nowhere. We have work to do. Come on, let's change Vicky's wheels.
Ah! You lot are stuck in the past. Wheels? Welcome to the future. Caterpillar tracks! Marvel at my genius! Wobbling whiskers, what's happening?
Oh dear! That gadget's gone wrong!
Oh, confounded machine! Must I do everything myself? Help!
Come on, Grandma! Let's stop that car! Pick up your tools and say this rhyme. At Gecko's garage, it's fixing time.
That's it, Gecky. Climb on top. And use this wrench to make it stop.
These crawler tracks roll round and round. We'll take them off to slow slide down. Blue, we'll need a car jack, please. It's the perfect tool for jobs like these. These gadgets put on quite a show. With wheels back on, you're good to go.
See, dear? There's no point in all these flashy gizmos and whatchamacallits if you can't get the basics right.
Oh! I had it under control. My gadgets are just a bit sensitive.
Like I said, showing off gets you nowhere.
That's right, Grandma. Bye, everyone.
Pass me a wrench, please. This bolt is loose. We best get going, Tilly. We don't want to be late. Oh, no. Garage doors open at speed. It's time to help a vehicle in...
Good morning, mechanicals. Up bright and early for a new day's work. Blue? Nuts and bolts. I think he's sleepwalking. Wake up, Blue. A garage is not a safe place to be sleepwalking. Blue? 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 Hello, everyone. It's busy today. Baby Truck and Max the monster truck need a tyre change. But where's Max? Oh, hello, Max. Go, go, mechanicals. Yellow. bumped her head. So it's over to you, Blue and Red.
Spinning screwdrivers!
Come on, Yellow! Looks like the tyres got mixed up. It's okay. We all make mistakes. We just need to swap the tyres back. Oh, don't worry, Max. We'll soon sort this out. Yuck! Oh. Baby Truck, we know you're having fun, but they're Max's tyres. Shall we give them back to him now? Oh, well done, Baby Truck. It's important to always give things back after you borrow them. See you again soon. Bye! I don't feel so good. Oh dear, it's Carry the Bus's service today. Can you handle that, Mechanicals? Is everything okay? Huh? What was that noise? It's okay. I feel a bit better now. Huh? Looks like the Mechanicals have it all under control. Great job, everyone. Happy birthday to you. Hello, everyone. We're having a picnic for Miles's birthday.
Darling Miles, the finest, fastest friend on two wheels.
Oh, hello, Mr. Weasel. We're celebrating...
Celebrating my new super-duper scooter? Of course you are!
Ha! My Miles can beat that loopy pooper scooper. Last one around the lake's a soggy spark plug.
You mean a race? Bring it on!
Are you sure, Grandma?
You betcha. Can you help us make the start and finish line, Mechanicals? We'll use the balloons.
Try getting started without a starter motor.
On your marks, get set, go!
Hopping handlebars. Miles won't start.
Vanishing vehicle parts. Miles's starter motor is missing. Without it, the engine won't work.
I bet that wicked weasel pinched it.
Having trouble getting started? I think I've even got time for a little break.
We just need a plan. Don't give up. That's it, Miles. We can use wind power from a balloon to propel you.
Yeah.
What tools do we need? Wrench, pump. Gecko's garage, time to fix. Gecko's garage, let's fix this. Keep inflating that balloon at speed. The air will help our plan succeed. Through this pipe, the air will flow to make Miles and Grandma go, go, go. With balloon power propelling our trusty friend, the race may yet have a happy end.
It's working! Miles is on the moon.
Hooray!
Oh, I say, excuse me.
Oh, don't get up, dear.
Wobbling whiskers! They can't win!
Oh, Miles' starter motor. Happy birthday, our special Miles.
Goodbye, everyone. Hello, everyone. We're at the playground today. Cat and I are fixing the seesaw.
Be careful!
Slow down, please. Or someone might have a boo-boo.
What's that noise?
Spinning screwdrivers. It sounds like Baby Truck.
Popping helicopters. Poor Baby Truck has had an accident.
It's okay, we're here now, Baby Truck. Remember, Mechanicals, you must always tell an adult if someone gets hurt or is upset.
Baby Truck is finding you very funny. But what's that funny noise?
Aha! I think I know the problem. It sounds like Baby Truck's exhaust has come loose in her tumble.
Uh-oh. Her giggles have made her all ticklish.
I need to jack Baby up in order to fix her. But we don't have a jack here. We need another way to raise her. I've got it! If I get Baby Truck on the seesaw, I can raise her up to reach her exhaust. But who is heavy enough to lift Baby Truck up high?
I can land Helena on the other end. Plus, she loves the seesaw.
Great idea, Cat! Then Baby Truck can have fun too. What tools do we need? Screwdriver! Flashlight! Gecko's garage, time to fix. Gecko's garage, let's fix this! Use the seesaw to lift up Baby Truck. Then my flashlight will see what's come unstuck. Tightening the loose screws will do the trick. But the seesaw's no jack, so I'll have to be quick. Turn all these screws to the right and then your exhaust is secure and working again. Success! You can go and play again now, Baby Truck.
But be careful.
Goodbye, everyone! Oh, hey there, everyone. Vicky, the ice cream truck, is in for her repairs. We're just doing a few finishing touches. Thanks, Yellow. Could I please have a screwdriver? Careful, Mechanicals. That pipe is full of ice-cold air. It's how Vicky freezes her ice cream. Yellow! Don't touch that button! Thanks, Mechanicals. You saved me. Now, let's finish fixing Vicky. Thanks, Vicky. Bye, everyone. Could you pass me a spanner, please, Blue? That's not a spanner, Blue. It's a wooden spoon. Sounds like Baby Truck. I wonder what all the excitement's about.
Presenting Wilbur T. Weasel's new electromagnet. Oh! How do I turn it off? Oh!
Oh no! Mr. Weasel's got magnet trouble.
Everything's fine, Gecko. If you could just switch off the power by turning that bolt.
Blue, stop! A magnet attracts anything made of metal. Oh no! Mechanicals! Oh, I know, Mama Recycle. I need to turn the power down, but I can't use a metal tool. Of course! The wooden spoon! Huh? It's okay, friends. I'll free you soon. With a tool I made from a wooden spoon.
That's not going to work.
Is everyone okay? Oh, great. We'll see you all soon for more adventures at Gecko's Garage. Bye! Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Gecko's Garage. Oh, it's very muddy today, so we're getting our car wash ready. Oh, look. Here comes Baby Truck to get all cleaned up. Oh, hello, Baby Truck. Let me guess what you're here for. Splish, splash and splosh. Activate Gecko's car wash. That's not right. You're still all muddy. Of course! We haven't filled it up with soap. You can't get squeaky clean without soap. Now the soap is filled to the top. We can wash all that mud off. Oh! That's strange. The rollers are meant to roll the bubbles off. Hurrah! Ooh! Aha! That's it! Baby truck is too small for the rollers to reach. Ah. Hooray! The car wash is working and baby truck is sparkling clean. It's cheerio from Gecko. Bye!
Hello, everyone. Look, it's snowing. Today we're... Whoa! Careful, Blue. Wait, Tilly. You haven't got your snow tyres.
Behold! Sly is the best snow vehicle ever! Ah! Who threw that? That pesky frog and his trash cans! I'll show them! Take that!
Let's get Tilly out of there. Push mechanical.
Shivering screwdrivers!
Now Tilly's a giant snowball. Oh, poor Tilly. You look freezing. You need winterproofing. Come on, Mex. Grab your tools, it's fixing time. Screwdriver, wrench. And while we fix, we say this rhyme. Oh. Let's get this new radiator into Tilly, so she'll stay warm and stop being chilly. The next thing that Tilly requires is this set of special snow tyres. Each new tyre will get a snow chain to help Tilly drive in wintry terrain. It's the emergency alarm. Someone needs help. Garage doors, open at speed. It's time to help a vehicle in need. Oh no! Mr. Weasel's stuck in the snow. Do you need us to tow you back to the garage, Mr. Weasel?
No, I don't. Sly's very capable in the snow. Oh. Ew! It's dripping down my neck! Oh!
Oh dear, that's no good, Mr. Weasel. Bye, everyone. Good job, baby truck. We're almost done with your driving test. You just need to reverse up this ramp. Don't worry. Slow. Easy now. Nicely done! You passed your first driving test, baby truck.
You call that a driving test? Now this is a driving test, eh, Sly?
What
exactly are you testing for?
How much better we are than you. This is too easy for me. Slime, you oversized toaster.
Help! Baby truck, we have to rescue them.
Take your time. You can do this.
Great touching, baby truck. Don't worry, Mr. Weasel. I'll have you down in no time.
Just like you reversed in the test, baby truck. Nice and steady. There we go. Safe and sound, Slide.
Well, looks like I finished that driving test quite nicely.
Baby truck, you're like no other. You passed the driving test with flying colours.
Hello, everyone. We're working on Bobby today. Ready for your brand new wheels, old friend. Shiny rims, fresh tyres, the lot.
Huh?
Oh, I just need to answer the phone. Mechanicals, can you start fitting Bobby's new wheels for me, please? Hello, Gecko's garage. How are you, Grandma? That was a bit dangerous. No, the mechanical fire. Oh, yes, please. We'd love some apple pie. Yes, 10 bites would be plenty. Thanks, Grandma. Huh? Sorry, Grandma. I've got to go. It's a wheel emergency. Tilly! Rusty wrenches. Bobby's wobbling all over the place. Tilly's winch will help halt Bobby. Phew, that was close. Huh? Bobby's wonky wheels are all wrong. Steering screwdrivers. That's not supposed to be there. Never mind, mechanicals. Everyone makes mistakes. Sorry, Bobby. The right wheels rolled away when we weren't looking. Let's get you back on the road. What tools do I need? Drill? Jack! Gecko's garage, time to fix. Gecko's garage, let's fix this! We'll start with the wheels at the rear. The motor sends the power back here. I'll tighten these nuts so we can be sure Bobby's wheels won't wobble anymore. Now your wheels all roll the same, it's time to hit the road again. Ah, thanks, Bobby. We'd love to come for a ride. Well done, mechanicals. Remember, it's okay to make mistakes as long as you help to fix them. Goodbye, everyone. Hello, everyone. We're just about to fit Trevor's new attachment. Green, could you please pass me? Green? Green! Green! Where are you? Oh, Green's watering her favourite tree.
Out of the way, Tiny! I'm going to build my new junk food cafe. And this tree is in my way. Move it, trash can. This tree's history. Ha!
Mr. Weasel, you can't cut down Green's favourite tree.
Why not? It's just a silly tree.
Because, apples. Aha! That gives me an idea. Trevor!
Wobbling whiskers! What are you up to?
See, Mr. Weasel? The tree's important. It grows tasty apples. You don't need a junk food cafe when you have this tree.
Oh, you think I'd rather have some silly apples than... That's delicious.
I'm proud of you, Green. You were brave and protected this tree. Well done.
You're right, Green. There's a fire. It looks like Fiona fire truck is on her way. Oh no! Mummy and Baby Truck are having a play race. They're brumming too loud to hear Fiona's siren. Fiona, it's time we fitted you with a louder siren. Come on, Mechanicals. Time to fit Fiona's new siren. That's it. We need a nice loud nee-naw sound. All done. Give it a go, Fiona. That's not right. It sounds like a doorbell. Let's try again. And that sounded like a dinosaur. We need a nee-naw. That was a nee-naw, but it needs to be much louder. That traffic cone made you louder, Yellow. Maybe something like that will work with the siren. Now that's a loud nee-naw. Bye, Fiona. Thanks for visiting Gecko's garage.
Oh, hello everyone. We're having a beach day today.
The Mechanicals are playing hide and seek with Helena.
Have fun! But don't go too far. If you get lost, stay put and call out.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ready or not, here she comes. Gecko, look!
Salty screwdrivers! That's seed bog, and it's rolling in fast. Mechanicals, stay where you are and call out. We'll follow the sound. There you are! Oh, we found you! Oh, yay! It's Helena's tail rotor.
But where's Helena?
Don't worry, Cat. We'll find her.
Wait! Listen! I can hear Helena! This way! We found you! Ay, qué bueno!
But look! The tide's coming in! We need to reattach Helena's tail rotor! Quick!
See, Gecko, without her tail rotor, Helena will spin out of control!
What tools do I need? Screwdriver, wrench. Gecko's garage, time to fix. Gecko's garage, let's fix this. Hurry now, mates. This fix is a race to beat the tide and get this rotor in place. This bolt will hold your rotor tight when spinning fast during flight. Now let's adjust the rotor here so it can help you balance and steer.
Magnifico! Gracias, Gecko.
Oh, you're welcome, Cat. We did it!
Oop, gotta fly. Quick, now take off before the tide comes in. See you back at the base.
Woo! Goodbye, everyone. What's that yummy smell?
That's right, a free kebab for every customer. This is sure to get me more customers. In you go, Eric. Oh, cook faster.
Is something burning?
Ow! Oh, what's wrong with this silly thing? Oh! No! My beautiful barbecue!
Fiona fire truck, there's a fire.
We're saved! Oh!
Let's help fight that fire. Go, go, mechanicals.
Oh, save it! Hurry up! Hurry up! Ew! Oh, I'm soaked.
Oops, sorry. The hose won't reach. Great idea, Fiona. Let's use the fire extinguisher. Oh, I got you. Thank goodness everyone's safe. Great job, everyone. See you again soon. Bye. Hey, it's Max, the monster truck. What can we do for you today? Oh, you want to look like your hero, King Crash? I think we can do that, Max. I'll get my tools. Mechanicals, you get started.
got all my tools. Mechanicals! What have you done? Oh, you all might think he looks great, but it wasn't what he wanted. Don't worry, Max. We'll put you right. All done, Max. Is this what you wanted? Another happy customer here at Gecko's Garage. See you all soon. Come on, Blue. I think it's time for bed. Good night, Mechanicals. Huh? Bobby, what are you doing here so late? Oh dear, you need a new wheel. I can fix that, but we need to be quiet. Huh? Ah! Phew! That was a close one. No, 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 no! Hit! Oh! All done, Bobby. Good night. Perhaps I'll just sit down for a moment. Hello, everyone. Gecko here. We're just on our way home. What? It's Baby Truck. Hup. What's that, Baby Truck? You've lost your dummy. Don't be upset. We'll find it for you. Go, go, Mechanicals! Try looking by those red flowers. Can you see anything? What about that green hedge? Can you see anything there? It must be here somewhere. I'm sorry, Baby Truck. I can't find your dummy anywhere. Blue! Well done! You found it. Here you go, Baby Truck. All's well that ends well. Thanks for your help, everyone.
Bye!